Oh my god, guys. I just got this package. I had to carry this all the way upstairs and manually, one person, 100 pounds box, and you can only imagine the horror that I had to go through. I want to show you how big is the box. Show it to my body size comparison. I'm pretty much this tall. I'm about 5'9", and this is about my torso, and it's that big. It's that big, yes. I'm gonna do some unboxing right now. Alright, so as soon as I open the box, this is what I see with that huge styrofoam on the layer here. It's just like when I see this box, it just reminds me of this more like this is where you put the dead people. It's so big, and I just can't wait to take it out piece by piece. And but I just don't know how to unpack this right now. No idea. So I'm just gonna put it down the camera, and I'll be back with you guys shortly. Bye. So I managed to take out the boxes from there, as you can see before, and this is what I have what inside. It's a pretty big box still. Covered with bubble wraps, a lot of goodies in here, and so let's hope that everything's in one piece. It's a big box. You probably know it if this is size, so get back with you another part soon. Bye. Yes, it's an alien Cinemaquette. Very, very nice big box as always. Very impressive unpacking. Thank you again for to Raph. Go by RRJ Statue Man. You guys know it. He's the one who's been customizing all that crazy stuff. Impressive work again. So this is the first time I'm gonna open the box, and let's just cross our fingers. Nothing's gonna be broken. Everything's gonna be on one piece, and we all gonna be happy. All right. So stay tuned, guys. Next part. Alright, so first you see this massive huge base. You can see that it's an alien riding in here, and it's gonna take it out. And I think it has the number on the bottom there. I think 261 or something like that. Yeah, so very, very big, impressive indeed. Very nicely done. The alien head. Wow, this is massive. Very massive indeed. It's right here. So I'm gonna take it out. I'm gonna put it on the table, and so I'm gonna take out the one under here. Right? Take care. All right, guys. Sorry, guys. So get to see the head, the clear dome. Very, very sexy. Look at that. Just nicely done from Cinemaquette. Very, very nice detail. Like the shininess to it, and just like the teeth is chrome. Just beautiful. Look at that. Wow, very impressive. Alright, I'm gonna put it down slowly so I don't break anything. Alright, and now this is the body and everything. So what you see here is one of the arm, the body, and the legs. There's a foot right here, and I think this is the tail all the way in the bottom. So this is gonna be exciting unboxing, and I just want to hope that everything is okay. All right, so this is gonna be my record, because once I take this out, I'm gonna put it back in again, because I'm in the middle of renovating the house right now. So I need to see this in person. Yeah, this is how it looks like. Very, very cool. So far nothing is broken, everything is great. Damn, look at that piece. It's a piece. Alright, so the tails seems like this the pack, it goes in here, it goes all around. This is the end of the tail, one of the arms right there. Okay, alright guys, take care. So that's the right arm right there, as you can see. Very nicely done. And this is the left arm. This is how it's positioned. You can see the part of the spine in there coming out from the end. Yep. Wow. This is mighty impressive. I just cannot tell you guys how crazy it is. It's beautiful. It's wow. It's a grill of this alien. When I see it in person, it's just unbelievable, unfreaking believable. Wow. I promise one of my friends not to say grill in my video. So let me just stay away from that word for now. Let me just absorb the amazingness of the statue. Very, very nice indeed. Wow. This is mighty beautiful. It's very big too. I mean, this is the size of my phone right here, guys. This is it's a Note 2. You know how big it is, Note 2, right? And just look at that. It's amazingly beautiful. I'm trying to get some more natural light so you can see the you know, the paint job and everything on this piece, because it's just big. Yeah, that part of foot is still floating because I have to push it back, but I don't want to, you know, put anything right now. But again, wow. I wasn't a huge fan of Alien, but after seeing this, I'm like, this is nice. This is definitely nice. I mean, wow. You can see the dome, the clear dome in there. The materials on the back, the mouth, statues, the grill of the Cinemaquette Alien. I mean, from the Alien line. I think this fellow is pretty creepy enough without any music on the background. So the other thing is I noticed is the actually there's only 7 of them that made with the special artist proof base, which has different you know base look to it. It's more like in the alien home in the xenomorph planet, or in the battleship, whatever you want to call it. But this one is the regular. I think the exclusive Raph himself have it. Only 7 of them made in the world, and he has one of them. So consider himself to be very, very lucky and very privileged. Just can't stop looking at him in the back. I mean, this thing is just so freaking huge. You know what? You guys remember if I had my Cinemaquette Predator, right? This is the same size, the same tall as the Predator. That's how creepy he is. I think my girlfriend's gonna kill me. I mean, my wife's gonna kill me tonight with this shit. Anyway, guys, so just one last shot. I just want to show you guys again. Just how it is. Just damn beautiful. Alright guys, so again, thank you for watching as always. Signing out for now, and sorry for the short review. It's just been a lot of mess and unpacking today, and I have another boxes to open today. I have to go so I have another UPS package I have to unpack. It's the grill. It's not the grill. I keep saying the grill. It's the barbecue set grill for the backyard. So you know, it's like you know, I'm buying that one for my wife so we can have a family barbecue on the backyard. So yeah, just one last shot, guys. Just freaking shit. Alright guys, so wow. Impressive, very, very impressive. Thank you guys again for watching, guys. I'm signing out for now, and see you guys next time. Take care.